So now I see this flywheel and six spring concept that is very well made and demonstrated. And when I looked at the video, the man who was on the video, tall, fair-skinned man, says you need to give it a push. So he gives it a few push, turn it a few times, like you're starting a tractor, kind of, but he did it by hand. Just to tell you what to give it a push means. You started rotating it manually. Now he gave it a push and then it started rotating by itself faster and faster and eventually came to a stop from another video I saw from someone who's used Spanish language. It stopped. So I will accept that it's not going to run forever. But it can be redesigned to run forever. Now, even if it cannot run forever and just run for the period of time it did, I would go on this assumption or given that the efficiency is maybe 1,000%. The force you use to turn it once to get it started, it provides you 1,000 times that force. Now, it's not a perpetual machine, but if that is the case, then every 900, every 1,001 rotation, you give it another push, an external push, like you start your car. Then it runs for another 1,000 cycles. Now, that's a lot of efficiency if you can do that, right? Because you're not wasting energy, it goes into the springs. And actually, maybe some of the energy transformed within the axle and the wheel and the masses and gravity somehow gets transformed into the spring. That could be the case. That could very well be the case. I am not saying that is the case, but it is possible that that is the case. You have to check it. You have to do it a few times and do measurements and things like that. So it will not be a perpetual machine in that it will not run forever. It will give you 1,000 rotation and stop. But that's better than giving you one rotation for a millimeter cube of gas, right? That's the idea. So it may not work, but there are ideas in it that are useful and better than what you have that is working. But yours is working and is selling. And this one that is better not working would not ever come to market. No.